Hello everyone, welcome to my new video Scope in Zoology. In zoology, number of scopes are there, that is entrepreneurship, wildlife conservation, medical and pharmaceutical fields. After B.Sc, number of jobs, number of admission, and last one is the research and PhD. Firstly, we going toward the entrepreneurship, that is the business. In this business, first one very important point is the apiculture. What is meant by apiculture? That is rearing of honey bee for the production of honey or the different type of the products. In this apiculture, you have a number of type of the product are formed, and these are very important uh, in our daily life. Second one business, that is the fishery. Here the in the fishery, number of fishes study is very important, and different type of the fishes study you have. That's why the fishery business also important. Third one is the poultry farm. Then the dairy industry. Then sericulture. In this sericulture, that is rearing of silkworm for the production of silk. You know that silk is very important. So this business also very good after the B.Sc. Then last one is the vermiculture. In the vermiculture, earthworm rearing take place here and form the fertilizer. These six type of the different business is very important for the business purpose after the B.Sc zoology. Then going toward the second one topic, that is the wildlife conservation. In this wildlife conservation, first one, that is the IUCN, that is International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. Here also the very important topic is that your work in this IUCN. Then WWF, that is World Wildlife Fund. Then IBWL, Indian Board for Wildlife. Then BNHS, Bombay Natural History Society. Then ZSI, Zoological Survey of India. And last one is the NIO, that is National Institution of Oceanography. It means you have a number of fields for this study like this in the wildlife conservation. Then going toward the medical and pharmaceutical field. In this medical and pharmaceutical field, you have the you also have the job in diagnostic center of various disease. Then medical and genetic counselor. You know that you have the different type of the topic in FY, SY and TY zoology. That's why you are very important for the medical and genetic counselor. Then forensic science laboratories, it means you have a scope in forensic science laboratories. Then anti-venom production lab, you also have the very important scope in the anti-venom production labs. Then medical investigator, then you have a scope in veterinary doctors, nursing, then TTB, IVF labs, then PGDMLT and CRCDM. These all have the very important branches for your study. Then going toward the after B.Sc, you have a different type of the jobs. Different student require job after the B.Sc. So there are different type of the job. First one in a zoos for the animal conservation, then aquarium for the rearing of the fishes or the aquarium jobs also very important. Then television channels, veterinary hospitals, animal clinics. Then going toward the wildlife management firm, then pest control companies. This is very important branch of the zoology, that is the pest control companies. You know that different type of the pest present in the environment, okay, and they are very harmful to the different plant. So this type of the company is very important role in preparing the different type of the pest control practices, and you have the number of job or number of posts in these companies. Then going toward the animal caretaking providers, museum, then going toward the preparation of MPSC and UPSC after the PSC. And last one is the Indian Forest Service, also have the different type of the job. These all are the job you have a different type of the job after BSc Zoology. Then after BSc, number of fields you have for the admission. After the BSc, MSc Zoology in different field like biochemistry, biotechnology, environmental biology, veterinary science, dairy science, sericulture, virology, wildlife genetics and hospital management. And last one option for the lectureship, that is B.Ed. Then last is the research or PhD. After the BSc, MSc and after the MSc, you have a scope in research or in the PhD. Scope in molecular biology, ornithology, paleontology, entomology, genetics, herpetology, ichthyology and bioinformatics. It means after the zoology, you have a number of scopes and number of field you have. Thank you very much.